with the motion. Good morning. Today I am Dev Kumar Singh from class 12, present here to participate in a debate topic: the effectiveness of the G20 in addressing global challenges. Favor the motion. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather here to discuss the effectiveness of Group of 20 in addressing global challenges. The G20, comprising the world major economies, hold great potential as a forum for international cooperation. However, it is crucial to evaluate whether this forum has been successful in effectively tackling pressure global issues. We will exposure its accomplishment, limitation, and propose recommendation for improvement. The G20 has undoubtedly played a vital role in addressing global challenges. First and foremost, it served as a platform for fostering dialogue and cooperation among the world's largest economies. Through regular summits and meetings, leaders have the opportunity to discuss pressure issues, share best practice, and coordinate policies. The collaborative approach has proven effective in mitigating economic crises, such as 2008 financial crisis, where coordinated action prevented a deeper global recession. Furthermore, the G20 has recognized the importance of sustainable development and climate change. The Paris Agreement on Climate Change, negotiated with United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC), received significant support from G20 members. This collective commitment to reducing greenhouse gas emission and transition to clear energy sources demonstrate the G20 ability to address environmental challenges. Moreover, the G20 has contributed to global financial stability through its focus on financial regulation. The establishment of Financial Stability Board (FSB) under the G20 auspices has enhanced coordination to oversight of the global financial system. This has resulted in strengthened regulations, improved transparency, and reduced systemic risk. Thank you.
Gaurav Kamble. Good morning, myself Gaurav Kamble of class 12 Science, and I am speaking against the motion on topic the effectiveness of G20 addressing the global challenges. So, while the G20 has made notable contribution, it faces several limitations in effectively addressing the global challenges. First, its decision-making process suffers from lack of inclusivity by limiting membership of 20 countries. The G20 excludes numerous nations whose voices and perspective deserves representation. The G20's narrow focus on economic issues often sidelines crucial social environmental concerns. While economic stability is crucial, the G20 must prioritize the addressing poverty, inequality, and climate change. Now my recommendations are to enhance the effectiveness of G20. Several recommendations can be considered. First, efforts should be made to improve inclusivity of the forum, engaging non-G20 countries, particularly those representing diverse regions and perspectives. Second, the G20 should strengthen its commitments by moving towards a binding agreement. This would provide higher degree of accountability and increase the likelihood of effective implementation. My closing statement is, in conclusion, the G20 has played significant role in addressing global challenges, particularly in the economic and financial domains. Thank you and have a good day.